All right, welcome everybody. My name is Wendell. I'm down here at the BrandsMart Daniel Point location, and I'm here to unbox a new product, Odyssey Mind and Body Wireless Eye Massager. All right, guys, it has 5 massage modes: multi-frequency vibrations, air pressure, relieving pressure for different parts of the face, heat compression, 180-degree foldable design, adjustable belt so it fits all head sizes, and also have integrated wireless speaker for anything that's Bluetooth to connect to. All right, guys, let's go ahead and try this thing on. Now, what better experience to get with the eyes and your body? All right, let's see. Wow. Okay, guys, so right now what I'm feeling is a lot of pressure in the temple area. So it's massaging in a figure 8 motion, feels like, and right above, right up underneath your eyebrows. Oh yes, and the heat, I can feel it. And I'm also hearing the sounds like the rainforest. All right, so that's one mode. Let's try another one. Oh, now it's doing the pulsating vibration. Oh, this is nice. So it's squeezing in and out, in and out. And on the temples, it's going forward and back. It's giving a nice vibration. Boop, 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 boop. All right, guys, one last time, remember the Odyssey Mind and Body Wireless Eye Massager, only here at BrandsMart USA.